Hey guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the advanced options under the print feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will know to make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on working with, or should I say, printing to files and PDF. And I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow it along. Now, this is the last little video on the mini series. So for those that joined, thank you. I do appreciate it. And yeah, we ran through the printer options, copy, print options, scale, tiling, position, kind of the preview throughout the video. And then today we're going to be looking at the advanced. Now, when it comes to the advanced, it's this is normally something you won't mess around with too often. You'll leave it for the advanced users, and because some of these things you kind of have to know what you're doing. So first of all, we have under advanced, we've got use device margins. And as you can imagine, when you check this, then it will rather use the margins of the actual printer driver than the program. So that is something to keep in mind. Then we've got ignore overlaps. So then if you check ignore overlaps, your output will automatically be changed so that it will not use this feature depending on overlapping. So for example, let me think, output, like let's say you have an output that's been set to color trapping or so forth, then it will leave it untrapped. So like I said, this is some advanced features. So by default, it is left on. So I would say just keep it on as well, unless you know what you're doing. Then ignore bitmap transparency. My apologies. Now what this will do is if you've got any bitmaps or images with transparency, it will ignore it. So in our case, we will also just leave this one at default. And then, yeah, if you've set up all your printing options the way you like it, then you simply click OK, and then it'll prompt you to print. And yeah, that is it on our mini series on printing. Let's just do that just so you guys can see. There we go, go and print. Then you're gonna choose where you want to print it to. Name it. I'm just gonna go up here, maybe to go to documents and just call it TMP because I'm not going to keep that. And then make sure your file format is set right and click save. Okay, I just made a folder for us. Let's try that again. Folders on test, save. There we go. And now I saved your file. So if you open there, you'll have a PDF of your actual design depending on how you've set it up. Otherwise, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.